From the chapel where the choir gathers, we lift our hearts and start to move as one. Every step a gentle vow we carry, every breath a promise just begun. And the road opens wide like a hand reaching out. In the stillness we find what this journey's about. Welcome, welcome, walk beside us. Let your footsteps meet the ground. To the capital we're rising, where our calm becomes a sound. In the heart of Carolina, peace is something we can choose. Welcome, welcome, come and join us. Every step a light we use. Through the trees the old stone waits in silence, holding stories of the ones who came before. Now we add a chapter made of kindness, as we gather at its open door. And the city leans in as our voices grow clear. Not a protest, not a cry, just a presence drawing near. Welcome, welcome, walk beside us. Let your footsteps meet the ground. To the capital we're rising, where our calm becomes a sound. In the heart of Carolina, peace is something we can choose. Welcome, welcome, come and join us. Every step a light we use. Hand in hand we cross the distance, soft as morning, strong as truth. Every mile becomes a message, peace begins with me and you. Welcome, welcome, walk beside us. Let your spirit find its place. At the capital we gather with a quiet, steady grace. In the heart of Carolina, hope is something we renew. Welcome, welcome, come and join us. Peace is walking here with you.